inspire you. I want to motivate you. I want to get you. I beg. Who motivation help? Who inspiration help? Some people, they're waiting on that inspirational quote. They're waiting on something to motivate you. Hashtag motivation, inspiration Monday. My brothers and my sisters, poverty is real. If poverty does not motivate you, if poverty does not inspire you to wake up in the morning and break loose from poverty, my brother, you don't need inspiration. You need medication. I'm telling you. Some people will wait for you, for someone to come post some kind of inspirational video. They feel touched. What you don't understand is if you don't back it up with action, it's as good as useless. Inspiration without action is nothing, absolute nothing. So get up and act. That's the bottom line. Don't just watch inspirational videos. Don't read inspirational quotes and feel good and feel giddy about it without acting. Get up and do something.